They say eagles have eyes like no other, and it's true. From 2 miles away, they can spot a rabbit hidden in tall grass. With vision 8 times sharper than yours, their wings stretch over 7 feet wide, yet they glide without a sound. They don't chase, they wait, then strike. But the most incredible moment? Their first flight. A baby eagle must leap off a cliff. No training, no second chances. Fall or fly. That moment decides their fate. The sky isn't given, it's earned by the fearless. Follow for more wild truths.